How to change app download preferences over Cellular. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap App Store. Next, scroll to the Cellular Data section and tap App Downloads. Here, you'll see three options: Always Allow, Ask if over 200 megabytes, and Always Ask. Choose Always Allow if you want apps to download over mobile data without confirmation. Select Ask if over 200 megabytes if you'd like your iPhone to ask before downloading larger apps over Cellular. Or choose Always Ask if you want confirmation before downloading any app using mobile data. Below that, you can also turn automatic downloads on or off to control whether apps and app updates download automatically while you're using Cellular data. Your changes are saved automatically and will apply to future app downloads. And that's it. You've successfully changed your app download preferences over Cellular on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.